Hello once again, lovely people. As you can see, Nova is once again on the operating table. I have been playing around with code and walking gates and got some good stuff going on, and as well as the PIR sensors and a follow me method function, but I am still having electrical issues. And it's no surprise, as I explained in my previous video, under this hood is quite a mess with dupont connectors everywhere, and I've also have an assumption I have a problem with my communication with the nano, which is in the head, in conjunction with basically an I2C connection issue. And I've tried pull-up resistors and that didn't help, and I really think that also is related to my connections. I mean, you have to think about it, and I've really, the past few days, have come to notice that when she's on the stand like this, it happens much less. When she's actually down on the floor walking and bouncing around and moving, it happens more. And it is pretty much always random, but this morning I'm having an issue where I can't even get her past the second stage. As soon as her legs start moving, she just hangs up on me. I did get her to work once or twice. How? Don't ask me. I just opened the lid, checked a bit of the wiring, so clearly I have an issue. I showed in a previous video a while back that I did discover that I had a wire that was just sitting on top of metal and grounding out and here and there and causing issues. So yes, the point of this video is to say that I probably won't post a very interesting video for another week or two, because I am going to take on the challenge of rewiring Nova. So I'd like some feedback though. Do you guys want me to go through the extra work of doing kind of a teardown video and then a rebuild video of the electronics? It will be pretty interesting. I mean, I'll probably film it one way or the other, even if I don't put all that much time into the video quality and production, like here with all the shadows. My apologies. But yeah, you can see that mess and understand why I most likely just have wires jiggling around, something hitting ground, something losing connection. Whatever the case may be, it's time to rewire her and rewire her properly. So I've ordered a bunch of ribbon cables, so I'm going to do my best to do this with just a few ribbon cables and use pin headers and as tight a connections and solder most things at this point as well. Because the reason why I left all these dupont connectors and this mess under the hood is because, yes, I'm still in development. So, but I think it's time that I'm pretty settled with everything. So yeah, question one, do you guys want me to shoot videos of the teardown and rebuild? And then question two, which I'm torn on myself at this point, is I'm almost considering tearing it all out and breadboarding it again and really testing it like crazy there, so I can really see what's going on. And maybe at that point I'll learn how to use my cheap little oscilloscope and connect to the I2C line and see if I really do have a problem there and whatnot. I mean, with her built like this, that's all very hard to do. So anyway, guys, sorry this is just a discussion video for those of you who might have been thinking you were going to see something fun today. My apologies, but that's coming real soon. So yeah, leave your comments in the comments below and then let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.